folks, talking about the Saab today. Just wondering how many Saab 9.3s out there look like this where the third brake light is, with the lining hanging down and the cover being gone. I'll tell you what I came up with for this. So I checked Saab parts, e-Euro parts. It said either out of stock, back order, basically nobody's making them anymore. So I went ahead and ordered one used for one clown from eBay, and he sent it to me. Of course, it was brittle as hell, which is this one you're looking at here that shows the repairs. Now, I used some metal and actually shaped the clip, and that's a spring steel. Did the same on the other side. And guys, if you do this, the trick about the baking soda and super glue, oh my god, it works great. These things aren't going anywhere. But what happened, since the panel was so damn brittle, this little piece broke off right here. And this thing still fell off because it's just moving too much. It's not secure. These little areas here, these little clips, they're just too damn small. These are real narrow, cheap. They get brittle, and next thing you know, they break. And what really bothers me is it's an actual Saab part. Okay, so this was the original one that initially fell. I was keeping it, so I thought, I can go ahead and repair this one. And again, that's using spring steel to reshape these clips. And then, of course, what happens is on the other side, camera won't do it justice, but they start to discolor and all that stuff from the UVs. Even though in the back we do have UV film on the window. But trying to reuse these things, they just get too damn brittle. So what I found is a company called RBM. I'll put a link of the part and the company up in the description. And the neat thing is, this is the part. I know you're thinking, oh my god, it's white though, it's horrible. Well, what they do is they go ahead and paint this so that when you put it up, it looks all nice and everything. So this has been sanded, painted, basically created for the Saab. And when I see created, if you look closely and actually feel the material, this has been 3D printed. So of course what I do is inside the clips I'm going to put some silicone, because if you use Vaseline or something, that'll work, but it is petroleum based and eventually can eat into the plastic and make it weak, where silicone doesn't. But if you look how thin this one was, I know it's the one I repaired, but initially how thin these were compared to the size of this, that's roughly about 3 times as thick. It's going to last forever. And instead of these stupid little clips down here, they got these monsters, man. It's thick, and it'll do all kinds of holes and stuff. So when you order from RBM, if you go ahead and take a look at the comments, you're going to hear a lot of people basically complaining and whining about, oh, it took so long, they didn't write back. Well, they're actually making these things. Instead of having a bunch on the shelf, they actually make these and then sand them, then paint them. That's why they're not cheap. It's about $82, and then you have to pay shipping. And these are coming in from France. So altogether this ran me $100. But there again, if you were to take something to an auto body shop and had them sand it and paint it, it's going to run about $100 anyway. So like I said, this is the job they do. This is what you're getting. And we're going to go ahead and snap this one in. And you know what? I'll never have to worry about it again because of the plastic it's made out of. And they even have their little logo, their RBM, into it. Again, guys, there'll be a link in the description for this part. This isn't going anywhere. So it's going to be really nice. Again, that'll be the part there. I really like the way they painted this. That's pretty darn cool. And like I said, this is never going to fall down. So you don't have to go around with that. I know $82 is a lot. It ran me about $20 for shipping. So it was $102. I don't like to take any chances on this car. I love this car. And we keep it looking like new. We've had it since it was new from day one. It's my wife's car, and she babies this thing like no other. So it's just one of those things. It's just worth taking care of. Years ago, I even bought a new parcel shelf when Oreo was supplying the parts. They actually built the parcel shelf, and it came with all the inserts. And I think it was like $229, and they shipped it to the US to Euro parts. And I made a deal with them if I could take pictures and send it to them so they could post it, and I got a discount and stuff on it too. So I think it brought it down like $150. So it was really nice. And of course, the parcel shelf takes all of 10 minutes to install. But anyway, what I'm getting at is we'd like to take care of this thing, and with that third brake light cover missing, it just looks horrible. And the other thing, I'll be doing a future video on trying to repair these cracks. I've looked at the exploded view for parts. They don't sell just this rubber gasket that dries out and cracks. So what I'm going to do is, well, I'll wait and show you in the video. So I'm going to do something to go ahead and repair this one on a future video, so you can expect that one soon. I have been found years ago. This little top strip right here gets kind of gooey, and it was starting to chip and all that stuff, and it just made the car look like crap. So you don't even have to pull the windshield. I was able to pull these side strips off and rip the old one out, clean it, and using some soap and a roller, the same roller that you would use to put screen on a screen enclosure in. I put this at a 45, it slipped right in. It took all of 5 minutes. So that was kind of a neat thing too. So again, it's all the little touches you can do to keep your Saab 9.3 looking great. But today it's going to be this little guy here. So I'll get this popped in and show you the after. And again, you guys see how it's made and what goes into it. And again, is it really worth $82? No, but they did print it, sand it, and paint it and all that stuff to match the car, which I'm pretty impressed by. So if you read the comments that people are basically bitching and whining about you know, how long it takes and stuff, they don't tell you, but when you get the part, you realize that they did make it for you. So I'll be keeping them in mind for the future, especially since Aero stepped out of the parts thing and now it belongs to some other company. And even going into Euro parts and Saab parts and all that stuff, a lot of stuff I can't find anymore. So I'll be keeping RBM, well, I'll be keeping them fresh in my mind. Anyway, guys, that's about it. I will go ahead and show this in the car, and that'll show you the finished product. And that's the cover on right there. It's a nice tight fit, and of course, putting a little bit of silicone grease, not Vaseline, silicone grease, and the notches helped out. And when it snaps on with authority. This isn't going anywhere. Anyway, to do, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for future content. Leave a comment if you want. That always helps the channel. And I'll try to get this on YouTube just as quickly as I can.